Hi everyone, welcome to Arm Candy. So today we've got for you this super cute Chloe bag, and this one is called the Joyce mini frame bag. So I'll show you it. We've got these two top grab handles on here. Just on the front we've got the Chloe badge as well, and I'll open it up and show you inside. So just push that down, it just flaps open like that. So inside we've got the red leather lining, and at the back you can see just there, I've got the flat slip pocket as well. So this one, I feel like it's just a really nice, uncluttered design, super sophisticated and elegant really. So we love this bag. If you love this bag just as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get alerts every time we bring out a new video with a new bag. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior very good. As you can see, all around and on the base, it's still that lovely cement pink colour and there's no marks on it really. The only reason I've put it as very good is just because you can see a little bit of creasing on the sides here and here, and then there's just a tiny bit. You can barely see it on camera, but on the handles as well. For the hardware, I've called that excellent. There's not really anything to show you with the hardware. It's still in great condition, no discoloration, and I can't see any marks or scratches on it either. So for the interior, again, we've called that very good. It's quite dark, so it's not super easy to see on the camera. But there's no marks really in there. There's, again, a little bit of creasing just from the opening and closing, but other than that, it looks absolutely lovely. So what this comes with is a few different things. So we've got the Chloe dust bag, and then we've got the Chloe product tag. You can see that's got all the info on the back as well. And then we've also got the little Chloe envelope, and I'll open that up and show you what's inside. So we've got the authenticity card in there. I'll just show you that there. So we've got that authenticity card as well. So for the size of this bag, if you want to find out the exact measurements of this bag, go to the link in the description, which will take you to our website. And hopefully it will take you directly to this bag. If it does, that's great, it means it's still available. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, it means it has sold. But if you love this bag, then don't fear, because we can get you on our request list. So if you send us over an email, let us know that you like this bag, and we can put you on our request list. And it just means that as soon as we get in another bag like this, you'll get an alert straight away, which means that hopefully you can get in there before everyone else and grab this bag. And that applies to any bag that you would like as well. So any bag that you're thinking of that you would particularly like, send us over an email and we'll get you on our request list. So as I said, exact size is in the link in the description below, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 at 5'4", so you can kind of have it as an arm bag like this, hold it kind of as a little clutch as well, and I'll show you this removable strap as well, also comes with the removable strap. So if you just pop that onto these little, you can see the little loops on either side. So I'll just pop those on so you can have a look. So there it is with that removable long strap as well. So it just means you can wear it as a crossbody as well, which looks super cute. So for more information on this bag, go to our website where you can also order this bag. On our website you'll find, if you scroll to the bottom of any page that you're on, you'll find an option that says sign up to our newsletter, where you can pop your email in. I recommend you do that because if it's your first purchase with us, when you put your email in, we'll send you over a first purchase discount to your email address. So that just means you'll either get 5% or £50 off. So pop your email in there and we'll send you your discount. More on our website is the How to Sell With Us page. So if you've got any arm candy that you'd like to sell with us, Go to there and you'll find all the details you need to know, outlines everything that you need to know about selling with us. So we would love to see any arm candy that you've got for us. And that's all I have for you. So we'll see you later with some more arm candy.